The Arcoyard small rolling backpack AY-101 combines durability and versatility with its robust wheels, reinforced structure, and waterproof materials, making it perfect for various terrains. This backpack offers ample storage with its spacious compartments, including a padded laptop section and dedicated spaces for personal items, ensuring organized travel. Designed with travelers in mind, it features a TSA-friendly layout and lockable zippers, providing ease and security during airport procedures. Constructed from high-density polyester, the backpack is both lightweight and resistant to wear and tear, enhancing its longevity and comfort for users on the go. Its convertible design allows for seamless transitions between a backpack and a wheeled suitcase, offering flexibility and convenience for different travel needs. This multi-purpose rolling carry-on is ideal for various occasions, from business trips to casual getaways, making it a practical choice for frequent travelers.